been building something behind the scenes. And if you've been rocking with me here for years, and you're about to see this channel turn into something that you may not have even expected. This isn't just about posting videos. This is about creating a real community, a place where people who've been struggling to figure out how to start online, how to use social media to actually earn an income, can come and finally get the steps laid out for them. I know it's hard. Growing on YouTube is very hard. And getting people to stick with content is even harder. But that's why I'm doing this differently. There's no empty promises, just what works. And let me be clear with you. In my past, focus and consistency have always been my Achilles heel. And that's why I would show up here, post a handful of videos, and then disappear for months, sometimes even years. But those days are long gone. This time, I'm here to stay. Now, I also know we all value different things. If this channel starts moving in a direction that you don't like, I understand if you feel like leaving. But before you hit that unsubscribe button, I'm asking for one thing. Give me 3 videos. Watch them, and then let me know in the comments what you liked and what you didn't. If you still decide to leave after that, at least I'll know you gave me the best advice to help me on my journey. And before you click away, tell me in the comments, what's the one thing holding you back from making money online right now? Your answers will help shape the next videos I create. Because here's the truth. I don't want this channel to just be my vision. I want it to be ours. And that means I need your voice to guide where this goes. This isn't just my channel anymore. It's your community, and together we're going to build something bigger than any of us ever thought possible.